Hello dear students, I am excited to share our invaluable surgery lectures through our Surgery Insights YouTube channel. We have crafted series covering spectrum of surgical topics essential for every aspiring surgeon. Explore these lectures in Surgery Insights and delve deeper into the world of surgery. Topics such as sinus forceps, Persian granuloma, needle holder, dry gangrene, line of demarcation, etc. awaiting for your attention. Subscribe now for continuous learning and growth in surgery. Thank you students for joining us in this enriching journey. Keep exploring, learning and striving for excellence in surgery.